News.
The New South Wales Drug Summit was held in Lismore today to hear some of the community's biggest concerns. The initiative aimed at providing more support to locals struggling with substance abuse.
Helping Northern Rivers locals with substance misuse and mental health conditions rebuild their lives. The Buttery Treatment Centre has been a crucial service in the region for more than 50 years.
I was in a place of fear and I wanted some faith and spirituality and learn about myself and, learn to have a life that's worth living.
It's the only rehab in the Northern Rivers.
Today, Health Minister Ryan Park visited the facility for the second time during the statewide drug summit in Lismore.
We're announcing $6.1 million coming into this facility as a part of a $21 million investment into drug and alcohol services across mid-North Coast and the North Coast.
We've had a fairly traumatic time in the North Coast, so we need to continue to ensure that we have trauma-informed services.
Visiting Griffith on Friday, the summit brings health experts, police, organisations and those adversely affected by drugs and alcohol together to improve health outcomes.
Where are the gaps in terms of service delivery, where we as a government can do more, where we need to try and fund future services.
One of the big changes I'd like to see come out of it is the destigmatisation of drug use.
Experts say that they've also seen an increase in mental health conditions in the region.
Our workforce needs to have skills both in alcohol and other drug services but also in mental health conditions, and that is not what we're resourced for. So we need those resources, and I'm hoping that that is highlighted at this regional drug summit.
The summit will wrap up in Sydney next month. Then the report with the findings will be presented to state government, which will provide a roadmap of how to better respond to drug use in the community.
I know that report will be comprehensive, and I know that government will do what all good governments should do across the political divide and engage.
Alexandra Reid.